So another example would be integration of x sine x dx. So again, that means we can use, this is u and this is dv by dx, or we can consider this to be fx and we can consider this to be g prime x. So that is basically what it is being done over here. So what we have over here is uv, so u is x, so v has to be the integration of sine x because this is the derivative. So integration of sine x is minus cos x minus integration of, this is going to be v, so v means this is the derivative sine x, integration of sine x is again minus cos x, and the most important part, getting rid of the x, so integration of x, differentiation of x is going to be 1, so du by dx is 1. So now we can just write down minus x cos x minus minus plus integration of cos x dx. So this is going to be minus x cos x plus integration of cos x is sine x plus c. Now it is important to remember the basic derivatives over here because the derivatives are important. So if we do this, we know d by dx of sine x is minus cos x, that is the basic derivative. Now from this derivative we use the fundamental rule of calculus, so that integration of, this is plus cos x, so integration of cos x is going to give us sine x. So that's why when we integrate cos x we get sine x. Similarly, when we know the derivative of d by dx of cos x is minus sine x, I'm not writing the chain rule, d by dx of x is 1. So when you do that, so when you integrate sine x, so there's going to be a minus, so that is minus cos x and plus c. So when we integrate sine x, there is a minus cos x. Similarly, when we integrated e to the power x, so we know e to the power x derivative is e to the power x, so when we integrate e to the power x we get e to the power x back again plus c, indefinite integral. So that's the derivative that's needed for the fundamental rule of calculus. Now the other one would be, so integration of x cos x dx. So we know this particular one is going to be u and this is going to be dv by dx. So we know x is going to be the u, so this is going to be integration of, this is going to be u, v is going to be integration of this derivative which is dv by dx. So integration of cos x is sine x minus integration of, this is again v, so integration of cos x is sine x, and this part is, we get rid of this x finally, so this is du by dx, du by dx of x is 1 dx. So we get x sine x minus integration of sine x dx, so which is x sine x minus integration of sine x is minus cos x plus c. So that is the answer. So x sine x minus minus plus cos x plus c.